Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Syd. Hey girl, hey.
That's what love is, like that is like what things are.
Who am I that I would push back? Is that the loving thing you made a bed for me to...
Welcome back to my birthday unboxing part 1. Yes, I'm going to do this in 2 parts, so it's not super long. And because you already know, I like to do a dedicated video to Hermes, okay? So without further ado, without chit-chatting and all of that, we're going to get right into this video. And you already know, for my birthday, I told babe I want me some Hermes, okay? So this is an item that actually got shipped to me. They had it in the store. I seen it. And I asked my SA if they had it in my size. She didn't. She seen it online and she was able to snatch it up and send it to me. So I know what's in here because this is, you know, it comes in the mail in a shipping box. And it is a beautiful one-piece swimsuit with the back out. It is so nice, y'all. So nice. I'm just loving it. Beautiful. I love the little detail on here. See if y'all can see the little detail. I'm loving it. I cannot wait to wear this. So cute. And it comes with I love this little dust bag that it comes with. It's like a little pouch. And I feel like this would probably be okay to put it back in here when your swimsuit is a little damp, because it's kind of airy. But I thought this was so cute because you can use this for like a little cosmetic bag as well. It's a little bonus. Yeah, so I like that. And then it comes with the removable pads if you want to put them in there, and it comes with a little pouch, which you can also do something extra with this little pouch. I thought was so cute. Just love that. Okay. This I picked up on a different occasion. I was out with babe. I think I got this when I was shopping for him for Father's Day, and I picked up an early birthday gift. So let's get it open. Let's see. Of course, you know this is a piece of jewelry. And I picked up, beautiful, the Farandole bracelet to match my necklace. It is beautiful. I love the little case that it come in. So beautiful. And then this is the back. And I got mine, I think, in the small, because I think they come in like small, medium, but whatever size it is, it's the smallest one. Let's see, maybe I'll put this on now. This one here tight. I have to slide it off. Can I get it on? I can't get it on. I'm gonna have to wait for babe for this one because I can't get it on. Sorry, I can't show y'all what it looked like on. All right, so here is another. I don't want to make this video too long. This is a ready-to-wear piece. And remember, I got this piece in pink and white as well. This dress. Can't remember the name of the dress, but I will put it on the screen. Here it is. It's so cute. It's just a t-shirt dress. It's like a doll baby dress, which is like cute and comfortable. And I got this in a size 42. And this had to be ordered as well. Let me see. Yeah, 42. This had to be ordered as well. I can actually fit a 40, but it's a little snug on my arms. This part of the dress, I have a lot of space in the waist area. I was thinking about seeing if I can get a seamstress to like pinch it in a little bit for me. But other than that, it fits perfect. It fits definitely true to size. So. And I just love it. All right. We have 2 more gifts to get into. Well, 3 more. We have 3 more. So this is a headscarf that I seen that I wanted. This headscarf is so cute, bright and vibrant. This is the headscarf with roller skates all over it. Can y'all see this? Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Make sure that it's this way. How cute is this scarf? How adorable is this scarf? And when I seen this online, I told my husband I have to have this scarf. Little quick backstory. My husband is a skater. Well, he used to be. Love skating. My kids love skating. So I said this would be perfect. So perfect. And it's so bright. And I just love it. How cute is this? So cute. I just love it. The details. I always love these scarves. They are so pretty. Just love all the details. All right, so we have 2 more, and let's get right into it. It's a Fringe twillie, another Fringe twillie. I'm like collecting these now. But I just love the colors of this Fringe twillie. So pretty. And this one has like, I don't know if these are berries or some type of fruit. It has to be some type of fruit on it. But I just love the colors. The creams, the golds, the browns with the blacks. A little bit of green. I'm going to get up close so y'all can see it. Hopefully the camera is picking it up, but it is so pretty. And I just love all of these little Fringe twillies. So I told her whenever she get them in stock, just put one up, put it to the side for me because I just love them. All right, now a little story time. When I went to pick up the twillie, the scarf, and the bathing suit, that was the whole trip. I was only going to pick that up. And when we got there, she took me to the little table. You already know my boutique does not have a private room. And she's like, here's your scarf that you wanted. Here's your twillie, the bathing suit. We have to order it. The dress we have to order. So I'm like, okay. I thought I was going to have something else to open up on my birthday because my husband did call her or text her and say, I need more gifts for babe. And she's like, Charles, I really don't have anything. No bags are here. Why the same day we made an appointment to just pick up my scarf and twillie, this bag was available. This bag was available. Actually, it got there while I was en route to get there, she was telling us. And when I was trying on the dress, she whispered to my husband, like, Sydney's bag is here. Do you want to wait until her birthday? or do you want to give it to her now? Charles is like, bring it out now. Just bring it out. So when she sat me down, I was like, Syd, here's your stuff, but I'm gonna go in the back and maybe I'll have something else for you. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can find something for you because I know it's your birthday coming up. And she came out with this box and I'm like, is that another picotin? I do not want a I do not want a picotin. I'll take one, but I thought that's what it was. I didn't think this was my wish list item because y'all know they have a new system where you put in the wish and you're supposed to get exactly what you want. So you say, I want this color hardware, this color bag, yada, yada, yada. That's what you're going to get offered. So it's a new system. And I've been asking for this one for a while. But then when the new system came out, she, you know, updated it. And it came in, guys. She's here. Let's get her open. And I was so surprised when she brought this out the back because I was not expecting it. She wasn't expecting it. It came the same day of my appointment. So let's just get it open. I'm pretty sure y'all know from the box, the dust bag. Did I get a raincoat again this time? No, this one, no raincoat. You already know what this is in here. So let's just get it open. Yo, I finally got my Birkin 25 in gold. And this time I did palladium hardware. Remember when I first started my Hermes journey, I said I wanted gold with gold hardware. But I changed up because I had bought a few things with gold and palladium hardware. And I just like the contrast of the palladium with the white stitching on the gold bag. I just thought it's more relaxed and casual. So this is her, y'all. Perfect birthday gift. Are you kidding me? Perfect birthday gift. When I tell you I have the best essay, I have the best essay. How beautiful is this? Gold with palladium hardware. Birkin 25 and Togo leather. And I love Togo leather. I think it's very casual, but you can also dress it up as well. She's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm going to leave her dressings on here. You already know I'm going to do another unboxing for TikTok and Instagram. So I'm going to leave her dressed up. But I can't believe that she came in right before my birthday. Perfect, right? She's just perfect. Okay, guys, that is it for this birthday unboxing part 1. I will check y'all in the next one. Till next time, Syd signing off. Peace. I didn't take a thumbnail. Gotta take a thumbnail.
Oh, you could take a thumbnail.
Yeah, I'm about to take a thumbnail. Yeah, y'all can talk. I'm just wrapping this back up so I can do a thumbnail. Thumbnail.
That's what love is. Like that is like what things are.
Who am I that I would push back? Is that the loving thing you made a bit